Come on, honey. You're busy. So, working on targeting with our back feet. Good job. Good girl. Good job. Free. Search. Next. Here it is. Go back up. Yes. Good girl. Excellent. Free. Girl, yeah. Yes. Yay. Good job. Look at that. Nice, Desi. Who knew? Free. Good girl. Let's take one more. Level up. How about that? See what we can do with this. Let me grab some more treats. Let's see. Back up. Good. Nice try. Keep going. Yay! Good job. Look at that. Wow. Awesome, Des. Free. Okay. One more. Hold on. Haha. Let's see what you can do with this. Over here. Back up. Good girl. It's a tricky one. Yes. Good girl. Nice. Good girl. Excellent, Des. Free. All right. Can we add one more? Let's add one more. Oh, I don't know. This is pretty tricky. Let's see what you can do with this, huh? Good girl. Yes. It's a big jump. That was a big jump up, huh? Good. Good. Good girl. Come here. Back up. Yes. Good. Yay. Good girl. Nice. Good job. Keep trying. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Good. Yes. Good job, Desiree. Superstar. Yahoo! Look at that. Oh my goodness. What a good girl. What a good girl. Yay. Search. Good job. Good job. Can you do that one more time? Let's see. Crazy wild thing. Yay. She did easy peasy. I got it. I got it. Nice, Des. Good girl. Wow. 2 days ago, she couldn't even put her back feet on a 1-inch tall board. So, huge improvement. Excellent job, Desi. Yes. Good. Search. Nice. Well done, Desiree. Super good.